Unveiling the hidden treasures of avocado seeds, a comprehensive exploration of their nutritional value and potential health benefits. Avocado, the buttery, pear-shaped fruit, has gained immense popularity in recent years, not only for its culinary versatility but also for its wealth of health-promoting nutrients. While the creamy flesh of the avocado is widely consumed, its large seed often ends up discarded. However, recent research has begun to unravel the hidden potential of avocado seeds, revealing a rich source of bioactive compounds with remarkable health benefits. Nutritional profile: a nutrient-dense powerhouse. Avocado seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with an impressive array of beneficial compounds. They boast a high fiber content, contributing to digestive health and promoting gut microbiome balance. Additionally, they are a good source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which play a crucial role in maintaining heart health and reducing cholesterol levels. Antioxidant powerhouse, combating free radicals and cellular damage. Avocado seeds are brimming with antioxidants, potent molecules that neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing cellular damage and DNA mutations. These antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress, such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Anti-inflammatory potential, calming the inflammatory storm. Inflammation, the body's natural response to injury or infection, can become chronic when persistent, leading to a range of health issues. Avocado seeds exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, potentially reducing inflammation and alleviating symptoms of chronic inflammatory conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Anti-cancer properties, shielding cells from malignant growth. Avocado seeds have demonstrated anti-cancer properties in laboratory studies, suggesting their potential in cancer prevention and treatment. Studies have shown that avocado seed extracts can induce apoptosis, a programmed cell death mechanism that eliminates abnormal cells, including cancer cells. Antimicrobial effects, combating harmful microorganisms. Avocado seeds possess antimicrobial properties, capable of inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. This antimicrobial activity may contribute to the traditional medicinal use of avocado seeds in treating various infections. Potential applications, from food to pharmaceuticals. The nutritional value and bioactive properties of avocado seeds have opened up avenues for their potential applications in various fields. In the food industry, avocado seeds can be transformed into flour or extracts, adding nutritional value and functional properties to food products. Additionally, their potential health benefits make them promising candidates for the development of nutraceuticals and pharmaceuticals. Safety considerations: moderation is key. While avocado seeds offer a range of potential health benefits, it is important to exercise caution when consuming them. Some studies suggest that avocado seeds may contain persin, a substance that can cause gastrointestinal discomfort in some individuals. Therefore, it is advisable to consume avocado seeds in moderation and to consult a healthcare professional if any adverse effects are experienced. Conclusion: a promising future for avocado seeds. Avocado seeds, once discarded as mere byproducts, are now emerging as a valuable source of nutrients and bioactive compounds with potential health benefits. As research continues to unravel their properties and applications, avocado seeds are poised to play an increasingly significant role in promoting human health and well-being.